Hello readers, I am Kanika and you are with me on my channel where we are discussing some books, where we are learning about something about the books that you can read. And if you are a reader who are looking for some recommendations or something that you can learn from a book or something that what I liked in a book, then you are at the right place. So today in this video what we are looking forward is the book Becoming by Michelle Obama. We will talk about what I liked and how this book flows and what is the writing style in this particular book. And to start with, this book is in a genre which is known as a biography, or we can say a part of a life which Michelle Obama, being the first lady, led. So this book is written in 3 parts, where the first part is related to her life, which was very initial, from the beginning of her life to the part where she met Mr. Barack Obama, and the second part is when they were fighting the US elections, and then the third part is after the winning of the elections. Michelle Obama is not a new name for us. She is known as the First Lady of America, and she was quite a woman activist, as well as she was doing a lot of social work and utilizing her position in a very better way. So she was there to know and to tell the people how you can use the position of power, and how a particular person who is in power is also a person who has the responsibilities and who need to bear all the attentions and the worries around in the entire country. So it was her story. In this book, it's her story, how she coped up with it, and how it is a very big responsibility being the wife of a president of the United States of America. So this is a really wonderful book to go with in case you are thinking of starting with a biography section, or you are trying to read a separate genre, in case you are already reading books and you want to start something new. So this book is recommendable for all kinds of people, whether they are first timers or whether they are trying to go into a different genre. So like if you are already into some comics, or you are already into some suspense mystery or something self-help books, then so this book is also a kind of book which will help both the people, like those who are going for fiction as well as those are going for factual books or the self-help books also. Because so this story is about a little girl who chose law as her career and grew up to a person who is not even related to law. So in case you are a person who is confused with what they have studied and what they want to do in their life, and if you are confused that are we at a stage where we can switch our careers or we can leave our studies behind, then this book is for you. This book will give you an insight about, yes, you can actually change it in case you are not feeling connected to your choice of career that you chose during your study time. So here she was the person who was practicing in law and who was really successful there and who was earning good from that particular career, but still she chose to give that up and got involved in social work, where she actually wanted to give something to the society from which she took so much of. So this book is a thing which will give you a perspective from a girl as well as from a teenager, as well as of a person who is pursuing the higher courses, then again of a person who is supporting the elections of Mr. President of the United States of America. Then also you will get an insight into life of a wife who is as the first lady, and how difficult their life can be, how difficult their family life can be, how difficult the life of a kids can be, as well as how important is that position, how you can use it, and how she channelized all the energies and all the rights and the powers beautifully by completing her own dreams as well as helping the society she was working for. And secondly, you will also look into the house and the family structure of the first woman and the first men of the entire United States of America. In this book, you will also get an insight about the political structure and how what they are thinking when they are deciding about the policies, how the conditions are influencing them, and how important it is for them to lead a normal life. So in this book, you will have a lot of motivation about how you carry on your life, how you take your decisions, how the decisions of people around you will influence you. Okay, so I think this is a very good book to start with in case you are a beginner for a new genre, you are wanting to switch into a new genre, or you are already into fiction and or you are really loving the biographies, then you will surely love this one and you just surely give it a try. So this was my takeaway and my my learnings from the book Becoming by Michelle Obama, where you will get to know about becoming me, becoming us, and becoming more. You need to know how you can become what you want to, that is you're becoming yourself, then how you can go with another person and be a family that is becoming us. And this family may involve the entire United States as well, as you are the first lady and the first man of USA. So you may know how to have a family with all the people around you, your friends, your families. That is becoming us. And then becoming more will give you an insight that how you can go and help your society, and how you can be more than what you ever thought, and how you can be more than what you ever thought can be your roles in a particular defined area. So you can be what you want to be, and you can always change your choices in case you feel that there is some uncertainty, or in case you feel that you're not enjoying that particular part of it. So it's your life and you can choose it. So I'm Kanika and I'm signing off from today's video. But in case you want a specific book to be reviewed, or in case you want to share your opinions on this book, so please mention in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to hit on the like button, as well as share it with your friends who are looking for book recommendations, and those who are crazy about reading, or those who are thinking about reading because you do so. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.